Oh, that's absolutely lovely news, because as we were saying, for me, poetry and the Welsh part of my identity are so intertwined, and it really does feel like a coming home. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. Mm. Well, yes, I've actually got a commission to write a poem about the Anthropocene, which of course actually is a topic I'm passionate about, because I am very interested in place and how we act on it. But it's quite daunting to write a poem that can encapsulate that, because as we were again saying, I don't want to write big picture political poetry. I want to change minds, intimately, in the intimate detail. And then I need to finish this book about the romantics in the countryside too, which is a whole load of walks. But of course, because I've been writing it during the pandemic, I've largely had to remember the walks, because we haven't been allowed in lockdown to walk except locally. So I'm really thrilled by this news. And of course, I want to thank the judges enormously for their kind of generosity, for reading the book. And above all, I really want to thank my editor, Sarah Castleton at Corsair, and I want to thank my agent, Sarah Chalfant. A huge thank you.